Hello, my name is Brad Barton. I'm a proud graduate of Webb City High School and I'm a lawyer. Most of you probably know what a lawyer is because you've seen a legal show on television or in a movie. But if you don't, a lawyer is a professional who's trained in the law. A lawyer gives advice on legal matters and applies the law to specific cases. Now, to be a lawyer, it's a lot of school involved. So after you get your high school diploma, then you have to go on to college and get your four-year degree. But then you just don't automatically get into law school. You have to take one of those long tests that we all don't like. It's called the LSAT, Law School Aptitude Test. If you get a high enough score and your grades are good enough, then you apply to law school, and if you get accepted, it's an additional 3 years. So 7 years after you graduate high school to become a lawyer. And after you graduate law school, then you take a big exam, and it's called the bar exam. And it's 2 days, 8 hours each day. And if you pass it, then you get to practice law. Now, fortunately, I passed it first time, so if I can pass it, anybody can pass it. But when I was your age, I had no idea that I was going to be a lawyer. I wanted to be in a rock band, but I was not a good singer. I was not good at playing guitar. I was not a good drummer. So I had to figure something else out. But I knew I liked to read, I liked to write, and I wasn't afraid to get up and talk to a group of people. So those things are really important because as a lawyer, you do a lot of reading, a lot of writing, and so you really need to pay attention in English class to learn good grammar and to be able to communicate effectively. Now, there's many different types of lawyers. I do criminal defense, so I represent individuals charged with crimes, and I also do a lot of family law. So I represent moms and dads going through a divorce or custody case to see when the kids are going to stay with mom and when the kids are going to be with dad. There's many other types. There's corporate lawyers, there's real estate lawyers, there's bankruptcy lawyers, and there's lawyers that go on to be teachers. So there's so many things that you can do with a law degree. And I know there's a lot of you that are listening to this and watching this that would be great lawyers. But it's okay if you don't know what you want to do right now, because I certainly didn't. But when I'm not practicing law, I spend a lot of time with my family. I like cycling. I like cheering on the Webb City Cardinals and the Kansas City Chiefs. And my alma mater, I went to the University of Missouri, and so I love the Tigers. But if law is something that you're interested in, it's a great profession. It's a lot of fun, and you get a chance to meet some really cool people. So I hope you all have an awesome summer, and if you ever have any questions, tell your mom and dad that give them my name and have them give me a call, and I'll be happy to talk to you. Take care, guys. Have fun.